The secret of the cucumber. That 99% of people don't know. Did you know that there is a simple food capable of completely transforming your health? A common vegetable that can revolutionize your cardiovascular system, your skin, and even your vision? Are you making a fatal mistake by consuming this superfood? Many people eat cucumber regularly without imagining the power they have in their hands. This vegetable hides secrets that can change your life forever. Today you will discover not only the amazing benefits of cucumber, you'll also learn about a common mistake that nullifies all positive effects. And at the end, I'll reveal 3 powerful recipes that multiply the benefits of this superfood. Get ready for a journey of discovery that will transform your relationship with food. Let's get started. 1. The nutritional treasure that 99% of people ignore. Cucumber is a veritable nutritional goldmine, disguised as a simple vegetable. In just 100 grams of this food, you will find an impressive concentration of essential vitamins. Vitamin K represents approximately 20% of the recommended daily requirement. This vitamin plays key roles in blood clotting and bone strengthening. But what few know is that vitamin K also prevents arterial calcifications. The potassium present in cucumber regulates blood pressure naturally. This essential mineral relaxes arterial walls, allowing for better blood flow. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant by fighting harmful free radicals. Beta-carotene protects cells from premature oxidative damage. Silicon strengthens connective tissues, including skin, cartilage, and hair. Magnesium participates in more than 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. These nutrients work in synergy, creating multiplied benefits for your health. But wait until you find out how these nutrients specifically protect your heart. 2. The cardiovascular secret. That doctors don't tell. The cardiovascular system is the engine that keeps your body running smoothly. Cucumber offers unique protection for this vital system through multiple mechanisms. The potassium present in this vegetable acts as a natural regulator of blood pressure. This mineral helps relax the arteries, allowing for more efficient blood flow. Lowering blood pressure significantly decreases the risk of heart disease. The soluble fibers in cucumber directly fight high cholesterol levels. They bind to cholesterol in the intestine, preventing its absorption by the body. Antioxidants protect heart cells from free radical damage. This antioxidant protection slows down the aging of the heart muscle. Vitamin K prevents calcium buildup in the arteries by keeping them flexible. Flexible arteries mean less resistance to blood flow and less cardiac effort. Regular consumption of cucumber represents a simple cardioprotection strategy. Studies show that diets rich in potassium reduce heart attacks by up to 40%. But cucumber offers much more than cardiovascular protection for your body. 3. The miracle. Hydration that beats ordinary water. Imagine a food that hydrates almost as much as plain water. Cucumber is made up of approximately 95% water. This water concentration makes it an extraordinarily effective natural moisturizer. But unlike regular water, cucumber offers essential electrolytes. These minerals regulate the water balance inside and outside the cells. Potassium maintains adequate intracellular hydration for metabolic functions. Magnesium participates in muscle contraction and transmission of nerve impulses. Sodium in adequate amounts helps with the necessary water retention. This perfect combination of water and electrolytes outperforms artificial sports drinks. For athletes and active people, cucumber represents superior natural hydration. On hot days, it efficiently replaces fluids lost through perspiration. Proper hydration improves blood circulation and cellular oxygenation. Well-hydrated cells function more efficiently and healthily. Cucumber offers this superior hydration with 0 empty calories, but the benefits of hydration extend far beyond what you might think. 4. The natural anti-inflammatory that pharmacies hate. Chronic inflammation is considered the root of many modern diseases. Cucumber has anti-inflammatory compounds that fight this silent problem. The flavonoids present in this vegetable reduce inflammatory markers in the blood. Cucurbitacins are unique compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties. These natural compounds offer relief without the side effects of medications. Vitamin C acts as an anti-inflammatory by reducing C-reactive proteins. Elevated levels of this protein indicate dangerous systemic inflammation. Silicon strengthens connective tissues by reducing inflammation in the joints. This anti-inflammatory action benefits people with arthritis and joint pain. Topical application of cucumber relieves skin inflammation and irritation. Cucumber compresses reduced swelling and redness in sunburn. The cooling effect provides immediate relief for irritated skin. Consuming cucumber regularly keeps inflammatory levels controlled naturally. This anti-inflammatory action is directly reflected in the appearance of your skin. 5. The elixir of youth. That's in your fridge. The quest for eternal youth may be closer than you think. Cucumber contains components that slow down aging from the inside out. Vitamin C stimulates the natural production of collagen in the skin. Collagen maintains the firmness, elasticity, and youthful appearance of the skin. Proper collagen production is the secret to wrinkle-free skin. Antioxidants fight free radicals responsible for premature aging. Beta-carotene protects the skin from damage caused by ultraviolet radiation. Silicon strengthens the structure of the skin while maintaining its integrity. The deep hydration provided by cucumber maintains healthy skin cells. Well-hydrated cells renew themselves faster while maintaining a youthful appearance. Topical use of cucumber lightens dark spots and evens out the tone. Cucumber masks reduce under-eye bags and fine lines. The cooling effect relieves facial tensions that cause wrinkles. Regular application rejuvenates the skin naturally and safely. This elixir of youth also works internally by improving your digestion. 6. The digestive revolution. That few know about the digestive system is the basis of all bodily health and vitality. Cucumber offers unique benefits that revolutionize gut functioning. Its high concentration of water keeps the digestive tract adequately hydrated. Hydration facilitates intestinal transit, preventing uncomfortable constipation. Well-hydrated intestines work like a perfectly lubricated machine. Insoluble fibers encourage regular, healthy peristaltic movements. These movements are essential for proper elimination of intestinal toxins. The enzyme erepsin present in cucumber facilitates the digestion of proteins. This enzyme makes meat-rich meals easier to digest. The alkalizing effect neutralizes excess acidity in the stomach. People with gastroesophageal reflux find relief in regular consumption. The anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritations in the gastrointestinal tract. This calming action benefits people with irritable bowel syndrome. Cucumber acts as a natural prebiotic by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy microbiota is critical for immunity and overall health, but the digestive benefits connect directly with the body detox. 7. The powerful detoxifier that cleanses your body. We live in a world full of toxins that overload our body. Cucumber acts as a potent and safe natural detoxifier. Its high concentration of water facilitates the elimination of toxins by the kidneys. Increased diuresis removes harmful substances that have accumulated in the body. This natural cleansing releases energy that was being used to process toxins. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals before they cause cell damage. Potassium supports kidney function by optimizing blood filtration. Fiber binds to toxins in the gut, making it easier for them to eliminate. This detoxification process happens smoothly and naturally. Silicon strengthens elimination organs such as the liver and kidneys. Vitamin C boosts the liver's ability to process toxins. The mild diuretic effect prevents fluid retention and swelling. Regular detoxification improves mood, energy, and mental clarity. People report greater vitality after including cucumber in their daily routine. This natural detox also significantly speeds up metabolism. 8. The natural fat burner. That works. The fight against excess weight can find a powerful ally. Cucumber offers multiple mechanisms that favor weight loss. Its very low caloric density allows abundant consumption without guilt. 100 grams of cucumber contains only 16 calories approximately. You can eat large amounts without compromising your diet. The high concentration of water and fiber promotes prolonged satiety. This feeling of fullness naturally reduces appetite between meals. Fibers slow down the absorption of sugars by stabilizing glycemic levels. Stable blood glucose prevents insulin spikes that favor fat accumulation. The diuretic effect eliminates fluid retention, which masks the actual weight. Eliminating swelling reveals results faster on the scale. Cucumber accelerates metabolism through its mild thermogenic action. The body expends energy to process and absorb its nutrients. This metabolic acceleration continues for hours after consumption. Including cucumber in meals turns every meal into calorie burning. But the benefits extend even to the protection of your eyes. 9. The eye protection that ophthalmologists approve of. The eyes are windows to the world and deserve special protection. Cucumber offers specific nutrients that benefit eye health. The hydration it provides is essential for natural lubrication of the eyes. Well-hydrated eyes prevent bothersome dry eye syndrome. Proper lubrication keeps vision clear and comfortable. Beta-carotene converts to vitamin A, essential for night vision. This vitamin protects the retina against age-related macular degeneration. Vitamin C strengthens blood vessels that irrigate eye structures. Healthy blood vessels ensure adequate oxygenation of eye tissues. Silicon strengthens connective tissues around the eyes. This structural action prevents sagging and eyelid pocket formation. Anti-inflammatory properties reduce eye irritation and redness. Cucumber compresses relieve tired eyes after long journeys. The cooling effect provides immediate relaxation of the eye muscles. Wearing cucumber rods on the eyes is more than a popular tradition. But like any food, cucumber also has some important contraindications. 10. The hidden dangers that no one mentions. Although safe for most people, cucumber requires some care. People with irritable bowel syndrome may experience digestive discomfort. Cucurbitacins may cause gas, bloating, or indigestion in sensitive cases. Excessive consumption can cause unwanted gastrointestinal symptoms. Individuals with advanced renal disease should monitor potassium intake. Excess potassium can overwhelm already compromised kidneys. People using blood thinners should consume cucumber in moderation. Vitamin K can interfere with the effectiveness of medications like warfarin. Some people may develop cucumber allergies, although it is rare. Symptoms include itchy mouth, swelling of the lip, or difficulty breathing. Non-organic cucumbers may contain harmful pesticide residues. Always prefer organic products or wash very well before consumption. Excessive consumption of any food can cause nutritional imbalances. Moderation and variety are keys to healthy and balanced eating. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. But there is a common mistake that can negate all these benefits. 11. The fatal mistake that destroys all benefits. There is a simple mistake that eliminates much of the benefits of cucumber. This mistake is made by millions of people daily without knowledge. The mistake is to completely peel the cucumber before consumption. The peel concentrates most of the fiber and essential nutrients. By removing the peel, you are literally throwing away the benefits. The peel contains the highest concentration of vitamin K of the vegetable. It also concentrates insoluble fibers, essential for intestinal health. Antioxidants are mainly found in the colored outer layer. Flavonoids and cucurbitacins are concentrated specifically in the peel. The silicon that strengthens skin and hair is also concentrated externally. People who peel cucumbers lose up to 70% of the benefits. To consume with peel, wash very well with a brush under running water. If you prefer total safety, opt for certified organic cucumbers. Proper brushing removes dirt and possible surface contaminants. The peel adds crunchy texture and interesting slightly bitter taste. Now that you know this secret, you will discover recipes that enhance the benefits. 12. The secret recipes that multiply the effects. 3 powerful recipes will transform your cucumber experience completely. These combinations multiply the benefits through unique nutritional synergies. The first recipe is the cucumber juice with anti-inflammatory ginger. You'll need a well-washed, whole unpeeled cucumber. This combination creates a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Add 2 green apples to naturally sweeten the mixture. Include 2 inches of fresh ginger to enhance anti-inflammatory effects. Top up with the juice of 1 lemon for additional vitamin C. Blend everything in a blender until you get a homogeneous consistency. This juice improves digestion, reduces inflammation, and strengthens immunity. The second recipe is the powerful detoxifying green juice. Combine 1 cucumber with 2 stalks of fresh spice. Add a generous handful of organic spinach leaves. Include a green apple and the juice of half a squeezed lemon. This combination deeply detoxifies your body. Celery adds extra potassium, while spinach provides iron. The apple sweetens naturally by masking intense green flavor. This juice eliminates toxins, improves energy, and brightens the skin. The third recipe combines cucumber, carrot, and apple for vision. Use a cucumber, 2 medium carrots, and 2 apples. Carrots provide beta-carotene essential for eye health. This combination protects your eyes from degeneration. The apple adds natural sweetness and complementary vitamins. Beat everything until you get a smooth and homogeneous texture. This juice strengthens vision, improves skin, and boosts immunity. Consume these juices preferably on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Regularity in consumption enhances all the benefits described. You now possess knowledge that can transform your health completely. Cucumber is not just an ordinary vegetable, but a superfood in disguise. Its benefits range from cardiovascular protection to skin rejuvenation. Natural hydration outperforms artificial beverages by maintaining healthy cells. The power of transformation is literally at your fingertips. Anti-inflammatory properties fight the root of many chronic diseases. Natural detoxification releases energy you didn't even know you had. Weight loss aid happens in a healthy and sustainable way. Eye protection preserves one of the most precious functions of the body. Always remember to consume it with peel to get full benefits. The recipes presented multiply these effects through powerful synergies. Start including cucumber regularly in your diet today. Your health will thank you for every bite, every sip, every conscious decision. Transformation starts with small steps, but generates big results. Cucumber represents simplicity, effectiveness, and health within everyone's reach. Make this information the first step towards your best version. Your body has an incredible capacity for regeneration when well nourished. Give them the right tools and witness the transformation happen. The journey to full health starts now with simple and powerful choices.